Hey everyone, welcome back to Japan Uncovered, the channel where we show you the real Japan that most tourists never find. Today we're heading to Kinzan Bridge, a hidden stone bridge in Aira City, Kagoshima. We're starting from Aira City Hall. Let's pull up Google Maps, search for Kinzan Bridge, and here's our route. Let's go. We're now driving through Aira City in Kagoshima Prefecture. It's about a 15-minute drive from Aira City Hall to Kinzan Bridge. This area is away from the city center, so a rental car or your own vehicle is the best way to get around. A parking lot was built here in 2014, so you'll find free parking and restrooms on site. We're heading to Kinzan Bridge, a stone bridge built around 1880 by the Shimazu clan for gold mining operations. Back then, it was part of the Kinzan Road, used to transport gold ore and supplies from the Yamagano Gold Mine to Kajiki Port. Today, it's designated as a historic site by Aira City. The bridge stretches 23 meters long, 4.2 meters wide, and stands about 10 meters above the riverbed. Its beautiful semicircular arch is the largest single-span arch of its kind in Kagoshima Prefecture, a precious structure that showcases the advanced stone bridge engineering of the Meiji-era. But Kinzan Bridge isn't just about the bridge itself. Just upstream, you'll find Itaide Falls, also known as Kinzan Falls, cascading down from about 8 meters high. Watching the waterfall flow through the bridge's arch creates a breathtaking scene where stone architecture and nature come together, a combination you won't find anywhere else. One important note, due to heavy rain damage in August 2025, the area across the river is currently inaccessible. However, you can still enjoy beautiful views of both the bridge and the waterfall from this side. Interestingly, from May to June, you can even spot fireflies dancing near the bridge in the early summer evenings, a hidden healing spot loved by locals. Free admission, open year-round. Let's head there now and see it together. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Japan Uncovered for more hidden spots across Japan. See you in the next one.